Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewsofsoftware.com. Welcome to my Dyscova review. And you can see now I'm inside a member series of the Dyscova training. I will give you a full demo exactly what they are teaching inside of this training. And if you know Dyscova but you're not really sure what are they teaching you inside, in this video here I will cover everything you need to know. And I also put ton of custom bonus that I would like to give you. So what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this. Then you click to any orange button here. You go to the sales page of the Dyscova. It's right here, right? So before we go to the folder about the training, about my bonus that I would like to give you, if your first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. Right, so first thing first, right? So what is Dyscova, right? So Dyscova is the problem system and the method for any newbie to start banking big online. So now it's special because this is not your regular info product. The method your customer learn inside Dyscova has been tested and proven over time by many top marketers. Okay, so here in this training, you don't need any Gmail list, you don't need to pay traffic, you don't need to do solo ads, you don't need a product creation, you don't need a tech deal work, you don't need a recurring payment and so on. So basically, in a nutshell, Dyscova is a training course will teach you how to do long tracking. Okay, how to do long tracking. If you are new to affiliate, you need this course because here it teach you how to do long tracking, and long tracking for the newbie. Okay, and this is they will show you how to step by step how to get your affiliate link from long jacket, then how to create a good video, how to rank video, and how to create good video in this training. So this is basically about the training. This show you everything about that. So this is the training. I already log in here. I will show you everything you getting inside the training courses a little bit later, right? So before we go to the folder about the training, and I would like to show you my bonus that I give for you. So I have prepared a lot of bonus that I would like to give you. I put a lot of time to put everything together. So I know this bonus, if you go, if you put the product and go with my bonus, that's gonna help you go faster. Okay, so let's see what bonus I have included for you in this training course. Okay, so and I have prepared for you my 14 high quality bonus that I would like to give you. So here is the bonus number one in I show you do SEO keyword mastery. So here I will show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, so you know that right now any business need SEO and any affiliate need SEO. If you are new to affiliate, this in my bonus you're gonna need, because here I will show you step by step how to do SEO the correctly. Not a lot of people will show you do SEO, and when you know that, maybe you heard about that SEO, when you go over there you just go ahead to choose the short keywords so you never rank. Okay, so here I will show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. And the bonus number two, I will show you do AdWord retargeting. Okay, so here I will show you do AdWord, and if you're new to affiliate, you're gonna need this, because here I will show you how to do AdWord, and the AdWord can help you tag a lot of traffic to your affiliate link, especially in your website. Okay, and then bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing ads. Look, Bing ads is very important because a lot of people do Google ads and not a lot of people do Bing ads. And the good thing about it, Bing ads is the price really cheap when you do advertising. And also the old people, they're searching on Bing ads. And the good thing about as well is the old people, they have more money. So if you do Bing ads right here, you get a lot of traffic, and then the old people have money on, they're searching on Bing ads as well, right? So the bonus number 4, I will show you the video marketing profit keys. So there I will show you step by step how to do video marketing. Right now you see any sale pay right now they have video. That means video marketing is really important, and video marketing is the really high convert. And video marketing right now is the king of marketing. Okay, and I have a lot of more right here. You can see here, I show you the YouTube channel SEO as well, and also, you know, in the training is they also teach you how to do video SEO. But with my bonus here, this is the top of the level of the training course. Okay, and I have a lot more right here. In bonus number 8, I show you the review blogging. Look, a lot of training out there teach you how to do long jacket, but not a lot of people do show you how to create a blog, right? So in also this training, they don't have any video to show you how to create a blog. So here I will show you to create a review blogging step by step for beginner. Okay, so here you're gonna need my bonus if you're new to affiliate. Okay, or any affiliate, even you're not new but you are affiliate, you're gonna need a website and a blog. Okay, if you don't have any blog, you're gonna need my bonus right here. And then bonus number 9, I should rank number 1 less than 24 hours. So this is the method. Okay, so if you take this training is they also show you how to rank the video on Google, but with my bonus right here, I show you to rank any keyword. Okay, I show you do any keyword rank number 1 on Google and YouTube. So I have a lot of more right here. Feel free to jump ahead to click the first link in the description of this video, and it will take you to here. Okay, and you need to purchase the product before my countdown time here. If my countdown time, my bonus rate is 5. So make sure you go ahead and click to any orange button here so you can purchase the product before my countdown time. Right, so after you purchase the product, how would you accept my bonus, right? So when you purchase the product, you go to WordPress, you go to your history product that you already purchased, then you go down to the little button right here called Accept Affiliate Bonus. Okay, so you accept to hold my 14 high quality bonus that I prepare for you right here. Okay, so click to any orange button here, you go to the sale pay right here. Okay, so let's spend a little bit time about this. In this sale pay, this called 100% profit method. 90% of the gurus you to buying big online. Okay, so this is 100% profit by top marketer. No list required, newbie friendly, step-by-step training, a setup and forget system, tap from the knowledge of the gurus, and an easy to come implement system, strategy path to succeed. Alright, so when you arrive to the sale page, you click to any orange button right here, then you're good to go. So in this training, they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you just ask for money back. After 30 days, before 30 days, then you keep my 14 high quality bonus right here. Okay, and if you ask for the refund, my bonus, you can keep my bonus. Okay, my bonus will never expire if you purchase the product. And you can see here, this is the top marketer that and they say about, and this is they haven't tested the product. So the product here, this is the real result. Okay, this is the real result. This is real result. And feel free to jump ahead to this bonus. This is sale pay here. And you see more detail. So this is the dropper and the sleep ring. So this is the two guys behind the product. Okay, so right now let's talk deeper inside the training. So here, when you right here, this is the video welcome and the module one, and video welcome right here, and this is the module one that teach you how to master in the turn, and this is the get the two. You need a tool to start your long jacket. Okay, so this is the long jacket that teach you how to find the long jacket and into the long jacket. And then here they will show you how to set up a proper YouTube channel. So this is they show you how to set up a YouTube channel, and then you can create a YouTube video. Okay, so this is the finding the bonus and the deliver bonus. Okay, here they show you how to find the bonus that go with the your product that you promote. Okay, so here they will show you to create a script page in bonus install. Okay, and here they will show you how to write a proper welcome email. Here they will show you how to shooting the video review. So this is really important, guys. If you start to do long jacket, you need to create a video. Don't be shy to create a video, because when you create a video and after you create 5-10 video, you're very excited to show your face to your friend, or to you can talk to a lot of people. You don't be shy, right? So right now you can do yourself in the camera, then you can create a lot of video after that, and you will be excited after. Okay, this is show you how to shooting a video and create a video thumbnail. Okay, and then here they show the rank video. Rank video is really important, guys. As I say that this is they show you how to rank video, and also with my high quality bonus, I have a bonus that I show you how to rank video as well. And hold on my bonus that on the top of this. Okay, so the bonus number 10 is reception. So this is the model 10, and so the last one is this is the bonus that the vendor give for you. You see here, this is you have my 14 high quality bonus. If you accept here, you also have the 7 bonus that the training give for you as well. And this is the bonus, a lot of bonus more right here as well. And this is the upgrade. If you wanna, and this is the upgrade. If you wanna upgrade, you can upgrade after, right? So this is basically everything about the training that we gave for you and the value here. And what I think about here, if you're new to affiliate, and this course I definitely recommend for you, because if you're new to affiliate, long jacket is the first star. Okay, and the price is really small. I will show you right now. And the price is really small. Before I show you the price, make sure you know this product gonna be launched in 26th October. Okay, 26th October, so this product gonna be launched. And right now I made this video in 25th October. Okay, so right now click to the first link in the description of this video and click to any orange button here. If you're watching the video in the 26th, 27th October, you can post this product. Yeah, right. So right now let's talk about the price. Okay, so from the end, the cost for Dyscova only 12.97. Let's say this is $13. Okay, so $13 for this product. And if you're new to affiliate, I think this price really small, guys, really small. And after you start to do video, you start to create video, record video, then you can make a lot more $12 right here. Here your customer are going to discover 100% proven method using by many top marketers today to earn massive income online. The system set itself for up for them to earn consistent income online without having to do much. Okay, so this is basically this trial and $13 here. You access to everything I show you right here. So this is for the newbie, exactly for the newbie. Okay, so you're new to affiliate, this is the course is really cheap. I highly recommend for you. Only $13 you access to everything. You will use the same strategy that I use right now, because the training that I bought, that's a lot around 100 times this price. Okay, about 100 times this price. Yeah, 100 times this price. So it's $12 here. Yeah, it's really cheap. It's nothing here. Right, so this is from the end. They have 4 upsellers here. So upsell number 1 is the premium, right? Dyscova premium, $37. The downsell $27. And this Dyscova Dome for you campaign $67. Downsell $37. And upsell number 2 is Dyscova Bonus burst, $67 and the downsell $47. And upsell number 4, Dyscova resale rights, $97, the downsell $67. You upsell to everything about here. Okay, so right, so that's everything about the training and about my bonus. So make sure you know that my bonus is really high quality, that I spent a lot of time to put everything together right here. So I know my bonus gonna be help you grow your business faster. Okay, if you choose the product and go with my bonus, you go 2 times faster. Okay, because here I have include my 14 high quality bonus right here. Alright guys, so make sure you come here and put the product before my countdown time here. Okay, so the product gonna be live in 26th October, which is tomorrow. Okay, so right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helpful, and this video I cover everything you want to know. So if you're still here, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now I will see you in another video. Bye bye.